In today's video, I'll show you how to see your competitors' ads using the Google Ads Transparency Center. This is a powerful and completely free tool from Google that allows you to view real ads that brands are running across Google platforms. Let's get started. Go to Google and search for Google Ads Transparency Center. Click on the first result to open the tool. You will see a simple search bar. Select the country, type your competitor's brand name, website name, or business name. For example, if you are in clothing, you can search for other clothing brands in your niche. I am typing Gucci. Select the correct advertiser from the list. Once you click on the advertiser, you will see all active ads they are running, different ad formats, messaging, and headlines. You can browse through their ads and see what offers they are using, what type of creatives they are running, or how they structure their ad copy. Now, go back to your Google Ads account and apply what you learned. I hope this video helped you learn how to find and analyze competitor ads using Google Ads Transparency Center. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Digital Growth Tutor for more practical digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.